Alright, gonna teach you a little thing or two about bar graphs. Okay, a bar graph is actually used to represent data. Alright, it's actually a rectangular bar, as you can see here. Okay, it is actually a rectangular bar. Okay, and these rectangular bars, you can see are of equal width. Alright, the width here is equals to the width here. Alright, also they can be drawn vertically or horizontally. It depends on how the examiner wants to phrase the question, or how they want to structure it. And also the height is proportional to the data. If you look at this example here shows the number of books borrowed by students in any given week. Okay, by a group of students. Okay, so you can see 5 students will borrow 0 books right here. Okay, this axis shows the number of students, so it's 5, 10, 15. Okay, these bars shows the number of books borrowed by this number of students. Right, so how we read it is like that: 5 students borrow 0 books in any given week. Alright, 5 students borrow 1 book in any given week. 10 students borrow 2 books in any given week. Okay, and 15 students, okay, if you can't see, pardon me, it's really hard to draw with this pen here. Okay, 15 students borrow 3 books in any given week. So question, what's the total number of students? What are the total, let me just write this down, total number, what are the total number of students? Okay, we can see there's 5 here, so 5 plus 5 here as well, and then 10 students here, and 15. Okay, so just to recap, 5 students borrow 0 books a week, 10 students borrow 1 book each a week, 2 books each a week, okay, and 15 students borrow 3 books each a week. Alright, so the total number of students is 5 plus 5, okay, shown by the first 2 short bars, plus 10 plus 15 is 5, 10, 15. Okay, that's 25, 30, 25, 30, 35. So there are total of 35 students. Question 2. What's the total number of books borrowed? Okay, 5 students borrow 0 books a week. That's 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 students borrow 1 book. Okay, so it's 5 times 1. Okay, because each student borrows 1 book, plus, okay, here 10 times 2. Okay, 10 students borrow 2 books each a week, and here 15 students borrow 3 books each a week. So 5 times 1 plus 10 times 2, which is 20, plus 15 times 3, which is 45, gives us 70. Where's my cursor? Alright, my cursor's there. 70 books in total. So that's it for bar graphs. Stay tuned. I'm going to teach you more on statistics.